Hello from Gardening at Douentza here in Ireland, and this is a very quick video to show you how I sow some aeonium seeds. So you're very welcome to my greenhouse, and this is a very quick video to show you how I sow aeonium seeds. This black one is an Aeonium Zwartkop. And we will have a look now down the greenhouse at some other types of aeoniums. So the one we're going to sow the seed of today is this variegated form here. Now aeoniums flower after a couple of years, and what happens when they do flower is that the rosette dies. Not the whole plant, just the rosette. So in this particular instance, this rosette has produced a lot of flowers, yellow flowers, and now I think we're at a stage where we can harvest the seed. If you rub here, and if we can see, there's white seeds there. Right, so it's time to sow this seed. To sow the seed, I'm using a seed tray here with holes at the base and a sandy mix. So I suppose this is about 50% horticultural sand, 50% potting compost, and we're going to mix it up well and then just put it into the seed tray. Now any lumps like we have here are going to have to be broken up because little tiny roots can't deal with big lumps of compost. But there we go, in there. This is actually quite hard to do with one hand. Now, there's the mix in here. If I were doing it with two hands, I would remove more of those lumps, but yeah, needs must. Okay, I'm now going to water it. So this is the watering can with the nozzle thing turned up, and when I pour like this, it produces a fine rose, and I completely drench the potting mix. I let it drain a bit and now we're ready to sow seed. So I am going to go over there to where the flower spike is, and I'm going to use my trusty secateurs. Right, so I'm going to cut the spike and save the fallen spike with the other hand. And now back to my seed tray, and I'm going to actually just shake like this. Now I don't know if you can see this, but there is actually stuff falling down. So here I have a reasonably clean bowl, and I'm just going to actually do like this. Look at all the seed. Look, all that white dust. Lots and lots and lots. In fact, I have much more seed than I can ever use, and I am hoping that this variegated aeonium will come true from seed, which means that it will produce babies that are also variegated, but I don't know that it will. Okay, right, so that's our seed, and we are now going to sow it as best we can. Actually, I can already see there's a lot of seed on top of the mix. Really difficult with one hand. Oh dear. Okay, bear with me. Okay, right, so this is sown far too thickly. See, there's a big glut of it there. So I just do my best to kind of even it out. Like I said, I have so much seed here, more than I need. That's why I'm being so wasteful. And that, I guess, is how we sow the Aeonium seed. Right, so I'm going to put this in a sheltered, shady position, keep it moist and hope for the best. And here we have a little something I prepared earlier. So this is a different type of Aeonium, and these are seedlings, and these are they pricked out and further advanced than the ones that have remained in the little pot. So, you know, what you're going to have to do is to remove a lot of the seedlings, because you will get more than you need and they'll be too densely sown anyway. I'm just rotating this because I see that they've been stretching towards the light, and now we'll turn it around so that they stretch in the other direction. So that was my video on sowing Aeonium seed, which I hope you'll try if your Aeonium ever flowers, and you will end up with lots and lots of babies. And a big thank you to my friend Liga from Potted Jewels YouTube channel, who was the first one who originally put me on to this idea of doing it, that it was so easy. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and check back for lots more plant updates. Bye!